One of these days, you might find yourself in the position, if you haven't already, of having someone whose business you're trying to earn look at you and ask you the question, why should I choose you over someone else? And they may be asking that question genuinely. They may be just testing you to see how you answer it. And how you answer it is very important. So let's discuss. Well, welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing and business development advisor specializing in content, social, and digital media marketing for lawyers and their legal marketers. Your time is valuable, so let's get started, okay? Well, sometimes that question can really throw you off, and you're wondering, why are they asking me that? What am I supposed to say? I don't want to say the wrong thing, but yet in my mind, I know why I'm better than that other person who they may be considering. But I want you to take the high road, but also giving that person the information that they need. And here's what I would recommend you say. I don't know that I'm the right person for you to hire. I hope so, but what I can do is to tell you why I am qualified and what my experience is, what my perspective is on the challenges that you have that we have discussed. And I will answer every question that you have. Hopefully, I'm the one that you choose in the end, but you are the one to make that decision in the best way possible. Now, I think that person has to respect that you have said that, because I have witnessed conversations, whether it is in meetings, or it's in video, or it's something someone has posted online, where they start to bash people and they start to talk about why what they do is better than someone else. And they think they're being a little bit anonymous and just referring to other people, but it's often very obvious. And the same thing goes for when you are trying to earn business. I mean, this is serious. When you're talking about matters, those matter greatly to your client. And it could mean a great book of business for you now and in the future, because the future grows upon what is happening now. And what I don't want you to do is ever build a reputation of being the person that puts someone else down. Don't worry about the other person. Don't worry about that person's skills. Don't worry about matching yourself up against another human being. I mean, that's not, if I was hiring somebody, I don't want to hear somebody say, oh, you should choose me because that person, I don't know, because I'm not sure they can be trusted, or they've said some things that I'm not sure I agree with. And, when you go down that path, and I could have gone on with about 5 more statements, when you go down that path, you start to look like you're just a little bit desperate, and that you are propping yourself up by making others look bad. And in the client's eyes, potential client's eyes, that's just not a good path for you to take. And they don't need to see or hear that from you. So take the high road, tell them ultimately they are the person that can make that decision in the best way, but you are going to do whatever you can to equip them with all of the details so that they can see why you hope you are the best person for the job. And that means that the discussion revolves around what they have discussed with you. And if you have questions, keep asking them questions so that you fully understand the challenge and so that they can tell that you truly care about them. And then use your qualifications and your knowledge to speak specifically to what that client or potential client has told you. All right? So take the high road, but yet help them out and give them some information that will be very helpful. Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Please do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about this topic and how you would answer that question, or if you've ever been asked that question. If you're in a place where you can leave a comment, please do so, as I'd love to hear from you. That always makes my day when I hear that. You can always find me on my blog at myrlandmarketing.com, which is MYRLAND marketing.com, or just email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. Also, if you're connected to the legal profession, and I think all of you are who listen to this, then I invite you to join my Facebook group, and that's where we discuss marketing and business development content, social and digital media marketing. And if you just go to Facebook and search social media for lawyers with Nancy Myrland, it'll be pretty easy for you to find. And when you do, just let me know that this is how you found out about the group, by listening to my podcast. Well, thank you so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of them right here with me. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.